Understanding Cable Routing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cable routing. This is a common term in technology and engineering. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out. Cable routing refers to the process of organizing and directing cables in a system. It's like planning a path for the cables to follow. This is crucial in many fields, like computer networking, electrical engineering, and home entertainment setups. Good cable routing is essential for safety, efficiency, and aesthetics. It prevents accidents, makes maintenance easier, and keeps spaces looking neat and tidy. It's like having a well-organized map for all your wires. Let's look at some examples. 1. In computers, organizing the internal cables for better airflow. 2. In offices, using cable trays under desks to prevent tripping. 3. In home theaters, hiding cables behind walls for a cleaner look. Here are some tips. Use cable ties or clips to keep cables together. Label cables for easy identification. Plan your route to avoid tangling and overlapping. I hope this video helps you understand what cable routing is and why it's important. Remember, good cable routing is key to a safe and efficient setup, whether you're dealing with computers, office spaces, or home theaters. Stay safe and organized.